Okay. Good evening and welcome back to my channel. I will call up on back to my channel. First of all, I want to thank you now. Maybe to subscribe to my channel. When I help me they watch, I say God will bless you now, and I say thank you and I love you guys. Guys, now you know what you do for me. All my mind is sweet to me because it's not really easy to get this family now. We be say I never go anywhere. I just decide and people will show me love, guys. I'm really grateful. I say God bless you. So today I promise you now, say this my channel, most of my channel will be about relationship. So today I'm going to talk about the foundation of relationship and waiting relationship. What will be the foundation of relationship actually? So my own understanding for relationship now, waiting two mature adult people don't agree to come together to form romantic connection. Don't want to be relationship. Abi, now waiting you be. So guys, relationship. I'm here to talk waiting relationship really need and waiting be the foundation of relationship. Relationship in a house. Which relationship be like house? Will be say house. Now foundation the take start time. The house will big finish. But waiting really make the house not the foundation. So that waiting me wants to you can talk about them today. So let's go there. Now, number one, for waiting really make up a good relationship. Many people they get this thing wrong. They say waiting make a relationship not love. Guys, I don't really they against say love, not be relationship. No. I swear to God, love is relationship. Because where there is no love, there can never be romantic connection which form relationship. If love not there, no fit be romantic connection wey be say make am relationship. But wetin we mix for inside say the foundation of relationship is not love, it's trust. Yes. As I ask this question, say wetin be the foundation of relationship? Many people will say love. Some wey be say that every day act thinking they fit say money. that is just normal thing for girls to say money because of maybe sometimes we all dey somehow they play or something like that. If you say money, but the truth about am be say relationship wetin e based on the foundation of relationship na trust. Yes, na trust, because where there is love without trust, e dey useless. Yeah, you dey in a relationship, then the person no trust you. You dey. It's like say you dey in pain. The thing, as in, I don't really know how to put it for you guys, but I think say many people understand what I talk about. Say na trust, then be the foundation of relationship. Some people fit think say na love, say without love relationship no fit hold. Yes, it's true that without love relationship no fit hold, but without trust relationship can never be built and it can never stand. Yes, guys. Okay, let's imagine it like this now. Say, for instance, boyfriend and girlfriend. They start like that, right? They start with boyfriend and girlfriend. With a friend person. The person call you say, "Half a babe, where you dey?" I say, "Babe, I dey supermarket too." Then you come ask. Maybe now come dey talk. You go for which kind of supermarket? Which supermarket you even go eat each like this? And babe, I dey supermarket too. So I say, okay, no problem. But when call go boss you, come here, say that supermarket you tell am say you did that time. You know business supermarket you dey, he no trust you. If he tell you, you go break your heart. Even if you love her, forget that one, baby, you go break your heart. Because he no trust you. Person when he love you supposed to trust you. Yes, that one na truth. Who love you supposed to trust you. Before he come approach you say he love you, you supposed to know the kind of things wey you go fit down, what you no fit do. Now that one help you trust. If person can't tell am say you do something and you tell am say you no do am, na you supposed to trust you say you no do am. Don't say we guess that we no dey turn the thing upside down. We will not say our husband or our boyfriend trust us. We want to use that opportunity to do misbehave. Now make some not come to trust again. But the fact still remain that now trust be the foundation of all relationship, not love. Love they very important for relationship. So also trust they important for relationship. Yes. If person not trust you, they pay you pass every other thing for this life. No need for us to just talk and say it's no manner. No. If person not trust, if you see, if two boys they trust you, or you they friend two boys, or a girl they friend two boys, the one when you love them, yes, you go they go there. But the one will be saying you trust her, now I'm sure, now me go for. Not be the one will love me, the one will trust me. Because if person trusts you, that means say he love you. If person love you, no trust you, no love you, no the relationship. Now the day for battlefield. Because you don't go see your tell we go the entire year, we go the take. You know what they believe. So what it come be the thing will be so na come dey inside? What one na come the current relationship will be say the person who fit believe you. Enough he say he love you, will be say he no trust you. Person will be say he trust you, now you go follow. Not the one will be say he claim, say he love you. So more or less they get that one first. Say inside our relationship, the foundation should be trust. Now, not supposed to build a relationship on trust first. Not be some girls that say they won't build a relationship on love. Yes, you guys can build a relationship on love. I know they're against that one. But you build a relationship on trust. Because any relationship where they build on trust, it they hard to scatter. You never see relationship where they will they jealous of person, maybe your friend, or maybe if it be your friend, if it be maybe your sister said go they jealous of a relationship. You go swear say you go scatter your relationship. If your boyfriend or your husband or your fiancé no trust you, tell your friend wey be say e both for your back say im go spoil your relationship wey dey jealous of you. Na one thing go tell your boyfriend or na one thing go tell your girlfriend, that relationship don fall jagata, e don scatter, e be like house wey no get foundation. But if he trust you, your husband trust you, your boyfriend trust you, your fiancé trust you, even if say they catch that girl on top of man, God forbid, you can't go tell your husband, go tell your boyfriend, you go say no. My baby, my girlfriend, my wife, my fiancé no fit do like that. Why? Because he trusts you. Even if he love you, girl forget he love you, say trust no dey. They come tell am say yes, they see him girlfriend on top of man, and maybe no be truth. Na only love is saying he love you, he no trust you. If you come, na person wey dey push person, he go push you. If na person be say he wan pursue more for us, he go pursue you. If he scatter am because of wetin, he no trust you, he no get that trust for you, say you no fit do that kind of thing. But if he trusts you, you can't tell him say you do that kind of thing, you do something like that. Oh, anything if you tell him, you know what take him. Different. Now that one be now that one relationship need to be built on before you really know say yes, you dey in relationship. Try maybe say na trust, maybe the foundation of your relationship. If trust, see, may I also tell you something? Trust na love. Now that trust na be love. Because if trust don't dey there, love don't dey there. No say if you love me, go trust me. If he trust you, go love you. Let me say if he love me, go trust you. If he love you, go trust you. He get the thing go reach, he go shake. But if he trust you, he love you, you no go reach where he go shake. They go dey gidigba. No be say na math. I trust. I prefer person when you trust me. Because if you trust me, that means say you love me. If you love me, you no trust me, you no love me. That one is just true. That is for me. That one one for inside relationship. Two, be say there is two type of trust. Trust get many. I think put two type now. We fit talk now. Two type of trust. I thought two type of trust. No me say maybe trust no be trust. Yes, what make me say two type of trust be say e get some way I will say e get two type of people and two type of trust for them. One fit talk say he trust you because of wetin the love when he get for you. Yes, if he tell you say yes, if he trust you, as he trust you, he go love you. Now there some go tell you, now there some go trust you, but they no go love you. Yes, now there some go love you, they no go trust you. But now there person still dey when he love you, when he trust you. Now there person still dey when he trust you, but he no love you. Yes, that is it. So now you can't decide whether you want follow the one wey be say you love, but he no trust you, or you want follow the one wey be say he trust you, he love you, or you want follow the one wey be say he love you, he no trust you, or he trust you, he don't love you. May I make am three now because I don't really express three, but now two now I be one talk. Now you can't know whether you want to follow for that one. But my advice for my fellow women, my advice for my fellow ladies and my fellow girls, be say before you enter inside a relationship, make sure so you build trust for them because of the future. Because they fit say friend bad, no make friends, but you can't stay without friends. Though that friends are evil, You cannot really stay with that friend. You must get that one friend who be say back in secondary school days or back in primary school days, your friend be say you can't really pop, you can't pop into tomorrow. Then you come later, they come, they greet you. If you don't understand, they come ask. If he not be your tight friend, but if he come, they greet you. If he be saying take you as a tight friend, if he say take you as a tight friend, maybe come they see things. What you know even expect come dey happen. You come maybe come the person dey jealous of relationship, good relationship. Then he come put hand for waiting you no build. Trust go save am. But if trust no dey that place, it go scatter. Yes, that is it, guys. So that one will be for today. It's left for you to choose who you want follow for inside your relationship. And don't forget, relationship should be based on romantic connection. Your emotion should dey first for relationship. Not let money drag you into relationship because you will run out. Yes. Make sure say wetin make you in a relationship. One, trust, two, love. The person trusts you and he love you. And you trust the person and you love the person. If one person still trust person, if one person na him trust person for inside two people wey be say na relationship na two people involved, but na only one person na him trust for inside, that relationship still dey stand. Make sure say two of una trust each other and two of una love each other. Then you guys are good to go. That will be all for today. I thank you guys. I still really dey short of words because I don't really believe say waka. By now I think maybe if I could get 6 subscribers, but actually I'm moving like I dey go gradually, and I say thank you. God will bless you now. I love you now so much, guys. I'm not really thankful now, but I still say thank you. God will bless you. I'm short of words. I love you guys. So that one will be all for today. I will see you now on my next video, or you go see me on my next video. But rest assured, if something no come up, my next topic will be 10 signs to know that you are in a good relationship. I love you guys, and I say good night because here na night today. See you next time, or you will see me next time.